Molly. Molly, we got some dominoes. Hannah, you ready to push the button? Ready? Go. Oh, do it again. Oh. Oh, I didn't do it good, did I? Oh. Yay. What? What'd you say? You want to make another train?
No, we painted it.
You want baby to play with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hannah, do you want to go to the beach and play in the sand?
No, I painted playground.
You want to play on the playground?
Yeah. Yes.
Why don't you want to go to the beach?
Number 2 has Hazy.
You what?
Has Hazy.
It's yucky?
No.
Hannah's what?
And I can see Daddy.
You can't see Daddy?
And Daddy go.
Where did he go?
I'm to the beach.
He's at the beach?
Yeah.
Did he get on a boat?
Huh?
Did he get on a boat?
Yeah. That boat?
Did he go to the island?
Okay.
What's on the island, Hannah? What's on that island out there?
It's got buggies.
Monkeys, yeah.
I want to go see it.
You want to go see it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think you're big enough to go on that boat.
Huh?
Maybe one day when Hannah's big.
I see buggies.
You want to see the monkeys?
Yeah.
Yeah.